Hey guys, welcome back to SJ's TechnoHub. Today we're going to discuss about formatting in HTML. Well, formatting elements in HTML are used to style and enhance the appearance of text. They help us emphasize specific pieces of text inside our document. And also they help make content visually distinct and semantically meaningful. Some of the examples include the bold tag, italic tag, and small tag. By the names, we can understand what kind of emphasis they bring to the HTML document. So these are semantic tags, and we are going to go through them one by one. Now let's hop on to coding. First of all, I would like to discuss about this style tag, and in it, I have applied styles to the container class and the body element. So the difference between defining styles inside a class name and directly inside some element, like for example here I've used the body element, is that when we apply styles to the body element, this will be applied to all the body tags inside our HTML document. On the other hand, the class name can be used as an identifier to a particular element inside our document. Like for example, I have assigned this class to our container paragraph tag, in which, this should not be a paragraph tag, this should be a div tag. To this div tag inside which we are applying margin of 20 pixels on all sides. So when we want to apply styles to a particular element, we can define its class name and apply styles inside it, and then assign the class attribute in that element, in that specific element, to that class name. Like for example, I've used the container class inside our div container element, and this div tag encloses all the p tags and the h1 tag I've defined here. This is the closing tag of the div element, and this is the starting tag. And when we want to wrap our content inside a particular container element, we can use the container element starting and ending tag. You can see that we have done the same for the paragraph tags. Right here inside it, we have enclosed our text content, and similarly we have enclosed the text content inside the bold tag the same way. Now I want you to take a closer look on this snippet of code before we move on to the browser for its demonstration. Here we have used the bold tag, the strong tag, the italic tag, emphasis tag, mark tag, small, delete, inserted, subscript, and superscript. Let's save this file and move on to the browser. So this is how formatting looks like inside HTML. So the bold tag looks something like this. The strong tag is similar to the bold tag. This is used to provide importance to certain piece of text. This is how italic look like inside the browser. The emphasis similar to the italic. The mark tag is used to highlight the piece of text. So the small tag makes this text small. The delete tag looks like this. The inserted tag underlines the text. Subscript is used to make the text look like a subscript, and the superscript as a superscript. So this was it for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notifications bell icon so you never miss a video.